Every morning you have a choice. You can hit the snooze button on your goals or wake up inspired and go after them. My name is Francois. I'm the Chief Medical Exercise Specialist and founder here at the Pink Clinic. Look, starting your day with a specific goal, or maybe it's not a goal, maybe it's the intention. This can help you stay focused and it keeps you moving forward to things that will overall lead to, even if it's what I use with my clients, it's a 1% improvement in your health and wellness goals, or maybe it's your financial goals, or maybe it's your nutrition goals, or it's just connecting more with family and friends. Yeah, it'll keep you moving forward. But if you want to take it up a notch, ending your day with a quick reflection on what went well and what you can do differently tomorrow will help your brain clarify your thoughts. Okay, that's a mouthful, but work with me here for a little bit. It's all about creating a cycle of positive action, morning motivation to propel you forward, and the evening reflection to help you refocus. So, my question is, what's one goal you're working toward now, even if it's tomorrow or maybe a little bit bigger this week? Let's inspire each other in the comments below. Hey, if you're also looking to make your goals a reality, especially in terms of the health and wellness, my program called More Energy, Better Health in 30 Days, this is where we get together so I could help guide you every step of the way. You know, Direct message me determination and let's make it happen together. Until the next video, have an awesome day and I'll see you there.